Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will talk about how to actually install a car camping tent. They call it a versatile car camping tent or a versatile camping tent, whatever you call it. It is some kind of addition which you can mount on the trunk of your car or on the side if you have sliding doors or side doors or whatever, and it will protect you from sun and rain if needed. As you remember, I did one of the videos with an awning up there, and I'm having that on the side of the car. But when I go to the back, on the trunk of my car, and I want to cook or want to get stuff out when I'm camping, I'm unprotected, which means it's fine unless there's sun or any rain or anything coming down, then it's no problem at all. Or even if you want to maybe sleep under the clear sky, who knows. This is an additional tent you can mount to the back of your car, or if you just want to have it additionally to something else mounted. I don't know, maybe you have other ideas, maybe a trailer or anything like that. And I want to show you how I actually did installation, everything, and how easy it is to set it up. And that's what this video is about. And at the end, I will let you know what I think about this tent. Let's jump right into that. Oh, by the way, we are camping in Bryce Canyon, and that's on the Bryce Camping Campground, just if you're wondering. And take a look. Okay, let's take a look. What do we have? There's a nice little bag. Hasika, that's the brand, and that's where we will install it. I'm going fast forward. I hope that's fine with you guys. Just make sure that you see everything what's important here. Now you can see what's in the back as well as the instructions. I'll refer to them during the video a little bit more. That's the tent itself, and that's what we need to spread out. It's fairly simple, to be honest. The first step at least. Now we have to make sure that the poles align. You might have used those kind of poles already for other tents. They're totally the same. They're flexible, so usually you cannot break them, but don't overbend it. And that's why I needed a little more help. So you can see it's easier with two people. And now there's a third pole which needs to connect into those little bags on the side, and then also tying it down. Those are the poles which will hold the tent up in the air. Let me show you how. But first we need to attach it to the car. And there are some suction cups which we can use. As well as easier being two people. And there it is, standing up. Now we just need to make sure that we have some rope. We tie it either to stone, to a tree nearby, or we use some of those hooks or pegs. Now you have a little nice area which gives you shade from the sun or protects you from rain. And by the way, it's just started raining after this. Here a little more overview from the side, from back, so you have an idea how big or small it is and how you could possibly use it as well. Those are the suction cups as mentioned. Alright, I hope I did not confuse you with fast forward and giving you all those comments. It's fairly easy. I think you could do it by yourself. I would recommend having a second person setting the tent up, because it made the job way easier. Sometimes my wife was included, sometimes not, as you were able to see. But I think with this tent, it takes, it maybe takes between 5 and 10 minutes to set up, depending on how quickly you can assemble everything. But it was for us pretty helpful because it just started to rain as soon as we were done. So that was really good timing, and we were sitting underneath and eating. So perfect. Oh, and cooking, of course, before we ate. But in general, I think it's a good addition. For me, I did like it so much for the trunk. It's a great addition for my trunk area, which keeps us protected. I know there are awnings out there, you know, with the 270 and whatnot, so you can have those ones. We don't have that. We didn't want to spend that much money, so we have a awning on the side. We do have a privacy awning on the other side of the car. We do have an awning on the side of the car, which protects us from sun and rain. And on the trunk now we have also something. So that's also is definitely way cheaper than a 270 awning. If you don't need it all the time, hey, perfect. Then you have just one awning open if you need it, and the other one you set up if you need to. So I did like it. I think the quality, I think the build quality was pretty good. I will let you know. I will now look. I think the build quality is pretty good. I think the build. Okay, no. I think the build quality is pretty good. I'll test it a couple more times for camping, so the season is not ended yet, and I want to see how it protects us and how it works, especially with one of. That's good. Yeah. Okay, I want to see how this. I want to see how this. Tight side. I want to see how this camping. I want to see how this tent holds up actually over time. I'll use it a couple more times, and I think it's a great addition, especially having the hammock underneath there. I can see that very well. I didn't have the hammock at that time, sadly, but it will be it's an amazing addition. So I'll try to follow up on this video, and please feel free to ask some questions if you like that stuff. More to come if you want to. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would like to see you more. That helps me a lot, and also the channel. I know that I'm doing work which is valued. And thanks for watching. Tschüss!